Let's try and make some McDonald's homemade Big Mac sauce. Welcome to Dynatry. Hello, I'm Matt. Before I get started, let me say welcome back to the channel. If you're new to Dynatry, then let me say welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade version of the McDonald's Big Mac sauce that you won't find anywhere else. At least I don't think you will. The ingredients that will be needed are mayonnaise, French dressing, American yellow mustard, clear malt vinegar, sweet pickle spread, sweet pickled gherkins, granulated dried onion powder, paprika and garlic powder. So first I'm going to place half a cup of mayonnaise into a bowl. Oh, I would love to hear in the comments below if that noise drives you nuts. Next is 2 teaspoons of French dressing, 1 teaspoon of yellow American mustard, then give it a stir. Now add 1 teaspoon of clear malt vinegar and another if required by taste. Then give it another stir. Now add half a tablespoon of sweet pickled spread, a quarter of a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter of a teaspoon of granulated dried onion powder, a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and give that sauce another stir. Then add another teaspoon of yellow American mustard, and chop 3 long slices of sweet pickled gherkins into very small cubes and place into the sauce, and again give that sauce one final stir. To finish, serve in a homemade Big Mac or use it as a dip for your French fries. You can see a homemade Big Mac video by clicking the link on the screen above, or find a link in the description below and on the Dynatry channel. So give it a try. Tell me if you liked it, loved it, hated it, or have another Mac sauce recipe you would like me to try, then please let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video and would like to see more, then please let me know by supporting the channel. You can support the channel by simply subscribing, clicking the notification bell and commenting below. It really does help the channel. If you have already done so, then thank you from the bottom of my heart. All I can say now is, thank you for watching Dynatry.